Components of ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. Here it is ecosystem. Components are mainly two. They are abiotic components and second one is biotic components. Abiotic components means they cannot live. They are called abiotic components. Biotic components means they can have life, called biotic components. Abiotic components without life, but they play major role in ecosystem. Biotic components have life. They are also play major role in the ecosystem. Now first we discussed about the abiotic components. Abiotic components are mainly two. One is climatic factors or climatic components and second one is edaphic components. Climatic components are rain, light, wind, temperature. These all are based on the climatic position. So these are also play major role in the every ecosystem. Rain, light, wind, temperature. These are non-living organism, means abiotic components. But these abiotic components also play major role in the ecosystem as a climatic components. And edaphic components mean solid particles. Edaphic factors like soil, pH, minerals, topography. These are also play major role in the ecosystem as a edaphic factor or edaphic components. Edaphic means solid components of abiotic ecosystem, abiotic components. These edaphic factors and climatic factors also play major role in every ecosystem. And comes to the biotic components. The biotic components having life. They can shows growth, movement and reproduction, called biotic components. These are again divided into three types. One is producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers are prepared food material by the photosynthesis. So these are called autotrophs. Consumers means they cannot prepare own food material. That food consumed from the producers. Called consumers, called heterotrophs. And the decomposers are collecting food material from the dead organisms or living organisms, called decomposers. These are also called saprotrophs. Producers are green color plants and green algae, green bacteria. These are prepared food material by the photosynthesis by using of inorganic components to prepare organic components, called producers or autotrophs. Consumers means they cannot prepare food material. That needed food material collected from the producers, called consumers or heterotrophs. Heterotrophs again divided into four types. They are primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, quaternary consumers. Primary consumers are also called herbivores. They eat only grass. From the producers, called primary consumers, called herbivores. Herbivores means they eat only grass, called herbivores. Secondary consumers are also called primary carnivores. They eat flesh from the herbivores. Called secondary consumers. They are also called primary carnivores. Carnivores means they eat flesh, called carnivores. tertiary consumers or large carnivores. They consumed food from the primary carnivores or from the herbivores called large carnivores. And last one is under consumers, quaternary consumers. They called omnivores. They eat flesh as well as grass or plant material or plant fruits called omnivores, quaternary consumers. And decomposers. Decomposers means they are called saprophytes or saprotraps. They collected food from the dead organisms by the releasing of enzymes or parasite position on the organisms called saprotraps. These are the components of ecosystem. These are the components of ecosystem. Biotic components, abiotic components. These two components are present in every ecosystem, and these components are play major role in every an ecosystem.